you explain at a high level what the differences between Promoted Listings Standard and Promoted Listings Advanced?
I need to introduce a bit the context of why eBay introduced both of them, Standard and Advanced. So 1 in 5 purchases on eBay are done out of the search results, the top of the search results. So for that, they started to introduce both of them, first Standard and then Advanced. Advanced is a cost per click model. So this is basically as well similar to Google ads or Facebook ads or any other ads that you already know on the market. And for this system, when you are promoting using Advanced, the promoted items will be placed really on premium placement. So meaning that it will be on the top of the search results, but also on other placements that are really important during the search results. And for Standard, as I already explained in another video, it's a cost per sale model, so meaning that it's a no-risk solution, and the placement of the promoted items is everywhere across eBay, but mainly in other search results, which are not dedicated to Advanced. So combining both Standard and Advanced is definitely something that we are recommending, because using both of them, you will increase visibility of your items on the search results, but all across eBay as well.
Do you see different types of items performing more successfully with certain campaign models?
Promoted listing Standard, we already observe that any product type can be promoted using this service. From the set of items and sellers that we have, jewelry and fashion are performing well, really well on Standard. On the contrary, on Promoted Listing Advanced, it's a bit too early to really have some tendency, especially because it's a new service still in beta also on eBay. So from what we can observe from the success that we have now, car parts, electronics, and medical products are the ones that are really performing well for now.
What target audience are you reaching with each campaign model?
Different audience, and that's why we would like sellers to use a combination of Standard and Advanced. Standard is more for an audience who would like to buy similar or relevant products, and Advanced is more focused on specifically interested in buying a particular item. So it can address different type of shoppers, and it's really good to have a combination of both of them. I know that I'm repeating myself, but it's really important to keep it in mind.
Which markets are available for each of these two services?
The same markets are available for Standard and Advanced. The only exception is on Spain market, which is for now not yet available on eBay side. So we were not able as well to put it live on our side. But for all of our markets, we are supporting it.
How can sellers decide which of the two campaign models or both is right for their business?
Providing few recommendations, but one of them is really to think about defining your business goal when thinking about advertising. You need, first of all, to think about what you would like to address for growing your business. So in case you would like to increase awareness of your brand, of your store, in this case, we advise you to start with Standard and test it and see how it goes with even a small ad expenses. In case you really would like already to start increasing your traffic and visibility, you need to focus more on starting Standard and Advanced. So in this case, you need to have dedicated budget for advertising. even if it's a small one to start with, but it's important to already think about it in a more larger and global way. And if you are at the last step of being sure that you would like to increase your sales, it's really important to engage more the shoppers in this case. And for that, you need definitely to have standard and advanced to be sure that you are addressing all your audience. So do not forget that combining both of them will help you to be sure that your items are visible across all eBay. So in this case, you need as well to have dedicated budget for advertising, but it's really going to be successful and it will bring you for sure some increase in sales.
How can sellers expect their sales to increase with each service?
With promoted listing standard, we have for now observed on average up to 50% increase in international markets and 20% in domestic when promoting with both international and domestic items. So as you can see, promoted listing standard can bring a successful increase in sales, definitely. And for advance, as I said previously as well, it's still in beta on eBay, and we are also trying to optimize our algorithm as much as possible. But we were already able to observe up to 10% increase in overall sales with an ACOS of at 10%. So it means that in this case, you should spend 1% of your overall sales on advertising.